All right, welcome to No Winning. Hopefully you got to see previous week's video. If you haven't, go back and check it out. We finally got a new car onto the channel. We were waiting to do it for such a long time because we were trying to finish up the blue STI, but now that we finally have it, it's been done. What I never got to show on camera was we got window tint on the car, and that's about it. We got, I think I talked about it in the previous video, but this is what you would call, aside from the window tint, like the first mod, which is realistically not a mod. We did it on the blue STI, we did it on the silver STI, and now we have to do it on the Tesla. So it looks like UPS might have already opened it because I haven't even taken it out of the box myself to see what it looks like. But as you may have figured out from the title, this is the Covercraft cover. As you know, the Tesla has a massive windshield and it has a massive glass roof, and you can definitely feel the heat. So anything to reduce the temperature and to slow down the cabin overheat protection from constantly turning on once they reach a certain temperature. This is actually gonna make a big difference, or at least I would hope it would make a big difference. So let's take it out. Oh yeah. I got Covercraft because I feel like their quality is pretty good. I got white because, as you may have seen, like I said in the previous video, the Tesla has white leather interior, so it looks pretty legit actually. It feels pretty good. The white looks actually really nice. So let me set up the camera over here in front of the car so you can see me put it on and see what it looks, and then we'll do like a little pan through. Unfortunately, I would not be able to do what I did in the previous video where I was kind of like checking the temperature before and after, because I have the cabin overheat protection on the car, and there's still a glass roof, so it makes a significant difference like when it's like just roasting in the sun. So I leave the cabin overheat protection. Man, I can't stop saying cabin air filter. There's no cabin air filter. Cabin overheat protection. So after it hits 105 degrees, I have it turned on automatically, because there's times where like on the inside of the car it reaches from what it says on my app to like 135 degrees, 145 degrees. So any little extra protective coating there would make a dramatic difference. So let me situate the camera over there in front of the car, and then we'll put it on for you. All right, so I don't know if you can see me here. Maybe I get on this side over here. I'm about to get in the car. I'm about to load this up in here. Like I said, I've never tested it out. I know the box already look open. I promise I haven't used it because as you can see from the crack of my windshield, it just keeps on growing and growing and growing. So it really hasn't been used at all. But the white looks pretty close so far from like looking at it from the outside in. So I'm gonna have my handy assistant on the passenger seat, and I'll be on the driver's seat. So come on. Come on, assistants. You can sit in the front just so we can put this on, okay? You guys sneeze? On the other side. On all of the cars, so look at that. Wow. I know the car's a little dirty, so don't judge me. Alright. As you can tell, my massive crack. You know, this is No Winning. In case we didn't get a close up the last time. There you go. Merry Christmas. By the way, that was on the 6th day of owning the car. There's another one here already too. But man, that looks really good. Let me go show you on the inside. Okay. There's my assistant there. Say hi to the audience.
Hi.
Okay.
Hi,
audience.
Audience.
Okay. I'll close the door here. Let me zoom out a little bit so you can see everything. But man, this makes a dramatic difference. As you can tell, it covers like basically the whole thing. All the way to the top, as you can see there. So this is actually really, really nice. As you know, the Tesla Model Y has the glass roof, right? So don't mind that's bird poop. But you know, eventually I'll get a cover up here so that I can get the temperature down from the inside. You know, right now it's about 94 degrees outside. Of course, I've had the cabin overheat protection on, but it looks really good, honestly. It already kind of feels darker in here with just that. It's a little cloudy right now, and the sun's the other side of the house, but so far I really like the way it looks. Like I said, it was the white one, so let me, okay, you can kind of see right there. As you can see here, it's white, and you know, looking at that white and looking at this white, they're pretty close. they're pretty close. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this actually. So let me stop the camera. All right, well, that's pretty much it for today's video. I'll do another pan around to see like how it looks from the inside and the outside. But I am really happy, really impressed with Covercraft, honestly. We are, I think, 3 for 3, actually 4 for 4, because we have one in the Acura, one in the blue STI, one in the silver STI, now one in the Tesla, and each one of them like just look so clean. Yes, they're kind of pricey. I think I paid like $100 for this one. In reality, for me, it makes all the difference, because on average, you know, during the summer times, we're hitting like 103, 104 degrees. So it's still pretty hot in the car. Even when I turn on the AC, there's times where like I might need to turn on the AC in the car, like, I don't know, 15 minutes, 10 minutes before I'm about to walk to my car, because the heat is just so bad here. So yeah, I really like this Covercraft. Like I said, I'm probably going to be getting something for this roof pretty soon. That'll be our mods, since we realistically can't do much to these cars. This is pretty fast already as it is, but the plan for the future would be just to get this car to just be more comfortable to drive, because realistically that's why I got it. I just got it to drive to and from work fast always, while we work on the other cars, to make those fast too. So yeah, I'm just gonna do a little pan around, and then yeah, hopefully you like the video. It's nice and short, pretty self-explanatory, right? It's not really an install, but it looks nice. And yeah, hope you liked it. If you made it this far, hey, thanks for watching. And if you haven't already subscribed, I'm not even gonna say it, but if you haven't, you know what to do. All right, thanks for watching. See you next time. All right, looks pretty close there. It's kind of hard with this little thing.